Warning, Indigo League is about to fuck up the game, son.
So, what is up, guys? Peyton here with Budget Life Garage, here with Kyle, and So, like I said in the last video, we were going to work on this thing, and we are. We got the part, which is right there, and...
She's fuckity fuck, dude.
Oh, yeah.
I gave you a new key, dude. What are you talking about? It's built in there.
I looked at
That's
the...
why
I looked in the pack.
It's pressed in there, that's why.
I looked at the packaging, but no. Yeah, it's not supposed to look like that. It's fucked. Of course, the whole spring system in here is fucked.
You can open it right up, dude. Just take it right up. Yeah, she's pretty smoked. Where is this supposed to
Whereas the one day, first day we brought it home, we rolled it. We took it out. It was slipping pretty good, but we didn't think anything of it.
That's what she's supposed to look like.
It was slipping pretty good. Well, we just thought that's how they work, because we've never fucking owned one.
Well, of this, like...
I've never had one with a torque converter.
Really?
Yeah.
This don't fit. I have a 36.
I have a 28 if that doesn't fit. I have the well, actually, I think it was down to 25. That wheel bearing one.
Oh, yeah.
Best $40 ever spent at Harbor Freight.
Okay, let's go to the oddball one. Here's 1 inch.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck! It's probably 1 and a quarter.
Probably, I don't have a 1 1/4.
Well, fuck you then. But first day we had this.
The 36 I have is not gonna fit.
We rolled it. That's a big ass socket.
It's 36. This is what holds the CV axles on my fucking car.
We rolled it. It ran okay. And we're messing with it. It just about takes off into the garage. Because the throttle was stuck. Let's see. He took the seatbelt off because it wasn't working. Ended up rolling the fucker. It drifts nice. But you got... Is that cut all the way too?
Huh.
It is. That's all the steering you have. That's all the angle.
That's gotta be fixed.
It needs to be extended. Hey, I actually have new tie rods. We could do that. I got 28-inch tie rods. You want to see if they work? Majorly extended. Then we're going to take it out for a ride, which... Well, get back to you when that happens. What is this? A Marksman versus the Geo windshield. Because why the hell not? As you can tell, we've been doing this for a while. Is it the kill switch? Yep.
Kill switch now works.
Finally. Should we probably turn it around? So we had to go to our local hardware store to get a spring for this because it wants to stay full throttle. So right now we're using the new jack that we had to go get because we got the other one stuck in the back of this piece of shit. so we can get the go-kart in further, so we can use the welder. So we made it fit. Somehow.
She was tight.
Oh yeah. It's fucking tighter than a virgin's pussy. Yeah, she's in there. Got all three of them creeping. Oh hell yeah. He's gonna weld the plate there so we can mount our new spring. This is not working. Thick paint? Yep.
Oh, I guess I can use it, right? I don't care about this stuff. Bitch.
I like how there's a nice handy vise right there.
Sliced up my fucking brain. Oh, I'm pissed.
So that's why I said I like how there's a vise right there.
Yeah, but it involves me like really opening this bitch out. How do you ruin a pair of $30 gloves?
Try to drill a tiny ass plate. So we got it most of the way back together. We went out, bought a spring there. What did he just welded the tab up?
Oh, a little bit until I ran out of wire.
Yeah.
Wasn't worth switching it over. It's just good enough for now. What's to cut off later?
True. Just got the air filter and the carburetor back up. Kill switch is off.
Yeah,
Now that the kill switch works.
I want to put this down in case he tries to run away.
And this will be the, what, 4th start of today? Where it should actually work.
Might go a little bit to fully dump the choke, but I guess that won't.
Fuck it, I guess I'll ride with you. Fuck with the choke.
Fucking the back torque converter part.
Ready?
No, leave it right there. What's that chain?
You wanna try to turn the choke off? See what it does?
Well, fuck with it a little bit, see what happens.
That was my finger, you dick.
Oh yeah, I forgot your fucking...
Ready?
Oh, see, look at the belt.
Sounds like a fucking tractor.
No shit, basically is. Try it. Slowly.